how to turn off or on block top spammers on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn it off or on. First open a Truecaller and then click here. First click on your profile and then click the settings icon here and scroll down until you find calling. Now scroll all the way down and here we'll find block, and here we'll find that you can turn it on or off, and that's it. Just turn it on or off and then go back, it will be saved. And now I hope that can help you to fix your problem. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.